A powerful jaguar emerges from the vegetation, moving silently through its territory.
Every movement is careful, quiet, and perfectly adapted to life in the Amazon.
Along the riverbank, capybaras gather beside the water while hidden predators watch from the shadows. The quiet river can hide danger just beneath its peaceful surface.
High above the forest floor, monkeys race through the canopy from branch to branch. From below, the canopy seems alive with constant movement and sound.
The deep call of a howler monkey can travel remarkably far through the rainforest. Its powerful voice echoes across the trees, warning others of its presence. A colorful toucan searches among the fruiting branches of the rainforest. Its enormous beak helps it reach food hidden among the leaves.
Brilliant macaws cross the sky in a noisy, colorful flight above the forest.
Their calls echo through the canopy as they travel between feeding grounds. A giant green anaconda moves slowly through the humid vegetation beside the river. With every slow movement, the enormous snake remains almost completely hidden among the vegetation.
Black caimans wait almost motionlessly in the dark river water.
Only their eyes and armored heads reveal their presence.
A lowland tapir follows a muddy trail through the dense rainforest. Its sensitive nose searches the forest floor for food.
Dark storm clouds gather above the Amazon as another tropical downpour approaches. Even during heavy rain, the slow-moving sloth continues its quiet journey through the canopy. Every movement is slow, deliberate, and perfectly suited to its life in the trees.
After the rain, the forest floor comes alive with the calls of countless frogs.
Tiny amphibians thrive in the warm, humid environment of the rainforest.
A cloud of butterflies moves between the flowers in the humid forest air.
The brilliant blue wings flash whenever sunlight reaches them.
Beneath the giant trees, leafcutter ants work together in organized lines. Each tiny worker carries a piece of vegetation many times larger than itself.
The jaguar pauses beside the river, watching carefully for an opportunity. Even its reflection seems to move silently with the current.
In an instant, the jaguar strikes at a fish beneath the surface.
The attack is fast, powerful, and precisely timed.
In this fictional Amazon world, a giant tiger moves through the dense rainforest. Deep beneath the surface, the enormous arapaima moves silently through the river. Its armored-looking scales protect one of the river's most impressive fish. The powerful cat pauses beneath the tropical canopy, listening to every sound around it. In this fictional version of the Amazon, a massive lion patrols the riverbank. Its powerful presence contrasts sharply with the dense tropical forest around it. In this fictional Amazon world, A large elephant herd moves through the ancient forest. Their enormous footsteps shake the forest floor as they continue deeper into the jungle. A small herd of deer feeds quietly in a sunlit forest clearing.
Suddenly, one deer stops feeding and listens for a distant sound.
A small family of parrots emerges from a natural nesting cavity high in the tree.
The young birds remain close to the safety of their nesting tree. A family of giant river otters turns the calm river into a playground.
Underwater, the family moves with remarkable speed and coordination.
Among the leaves, a green iguana remains almost perfectly camouflaged. Only a small movement reveals that something is watching from the foliage. A large green iguana rests high above the forest floor. Its textured scales blend naturally with the ancient tree. As daylight disappears, the Amazon begins its nightly transformation. Under the canopy, thousands of tiny lights begin to appear. At night, the river belongs to silent hunters. Only their eyes betray their presence in the darkness. The nighttime wetlands erupt with the calls of frogs. One small movement sends ripples across the quiet water. Underwater, its powerful body moves with slow, effortless control. A capybara family emerges as the first light reaches the riverbank. Capybaras travel together in family groups along the river. The young remain close to the adults for safety. Nearby, a jaguar watches quietly from the cover of the vegetation.
The capybaras remain alert, sensing the predator hidden beyond the leaves.
A sudden warning call spreads through the monkey troop. The entire group watches the forest floor for danger. A massive boa constrictor rests quietly among the branches. A large tarantula emerges from beneath the fallen leaves. At ground level, even tiny creatures become part of the rainforest drama. The rainforest is filled with countless small creatures working beneath the larger world. A perfectly camouflaged stick insect almost disappears against the leaf. Small streams carry fresh water through the enormous rainforest. Beneath the surface, tiny fish navigate the clear water. A patient heron waits beside the stream for the perfect moment to strike.
With lightning speed, it reaches into the water for a meal.
Below the surface, a school of piranhas moves together through the river. Their synchronized movement helps the school navigate the constantly changing river. A fruiting tree brings several different rainforest species together. High above the ground, monkeys feed among the branches.
The sloth continues its slow journey through the upper canopy.
Its calm expression reflects a life spent almost entirely among the trees.
The canopy becomes a living chorus of colorful birds.
A sudden disturbance sends several birds into the sky at once.
At ground level, an entirely different world exists beneath the canopy.
The Amazon stretches across an immense landscape of rivers, trees, and hidden life.
Deep inside the rainforest, a group of deer moves carefully through the thick vegetation.
Every sudden sound makes the herd pause and listen. A giant green anaconda slowly moves through the wet vegetation of the Amazon.
Its enormous body disappears and reappears between the leaves.